How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2011 Acura MDX with advanced and entertainment packages. It's fully loaded, really nice car. Third row nav, adaptive cruise control, blind spot alert, entertainment system, backup cameras. I mean, this thing is, for an 11, was definitely way ahead of its time. Sunroof, heated seats, ventilated seats. Have a little ding here on the back door. But besides that, the body is in really good shape. Interior is in excellent shape. Go ahead and do a walk around. I think this rear door might have a ding on it too, or this front door has one there and then one here. So two little dings on the front door. But besides that, this thing is super clean. Has the original headphone set. You have the rear entertainment package up here. Seats are great condition. Big sunroof. Third row is like brand new. Beautiful beige leather interior. See the front here. Really comfortable. Nice car. Low miles, 101,000 miles in it. Go ahead and start her up. 700 miles. So 101,700 miles. Has nav. Really nice car. Ventilated seats, heated seats. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody interested. And if you have any repair needs for luxury Japanese vehicles like this, or domestic luxury cars, or Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche, which is kind of what we're known for, definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.